guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we are going to be making Kadhai Paneer. This Indian dish has bright flavors and it is made of paneer or cottage cheese, spices and veggies. This recipe is different from other paneer recipes because we are going to be using big chunks of veggies and the whole spices bring out the flavor. So without further ado, let's get cooking! To make this recipe, we'll need around 650 grams of paneer or cottage cheese that is cubed, 2 onions that are diced into large pieces, 3 tomatoes that are roughly chopped, 5 green chilies. You can also put these as per your taste. These are also going to be roughly chopped, 4 cloves of garlic that is roughly chopped, 1 inch of ginger that is roughly chopped, and 2 bell peppers that are diced. They should be the same size as the onions. For the spices, we'll need 4 green cardamom, 3 black cardamom, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 8 peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, 4 dried red chilies, some salt that is as per your taste, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, some paprika, also as per your taste, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of fenugreek leaf powder or kasuri methi, 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, and 2 teaspoons of dhania or cilantro powder. First, we will make the tomato puree. So in the mixer, we will add in the green chilies, the garlic, the ginger, and the tomatoes. We will mix these together until they become a paste. This is what it should look like once it is mixed. After the tomato puree is ready, we will add in around 2 tablespoons of oil to a medium pan on medium heat. Once the oil is heated, we will add in the green cardamom, the black cardamom, the bay leaves, the dried red chilies, the cinnamon sticks, and the peppercorns. We will let these simmer in the oil for a little bit. Once it is cooked for around 1 minute, we will add in the cumin seeds. And we will let this cook for another minute or so. Once they have cooked, we will add in the onions, and 1 teaspoon of salt. We will mix these together well and let the onions cook until they turn slightly brown. Once the onions are cooked, we will add in the turmeric powder. And we will cook this for a few more seconds. Now, we will add in the tomato puree. We will mix the tomato puree together with the onions well, and we will cook them for another minute or so. We will stir this once and we will cook it for around 7 to 8 more minutes. As you can see, the onion and tomato puree are still a little bit watery, so we will need to cook them for an extra 5 to 6 minutes. Once the mixture is cooked, it should look like this. It shouldn't be too thin or watery. After it is cooked, we will add in the bell peppers. And we will mix this well together. Now we will add in some salt, some red chili powder, some paprika, the dhania powder. We'll mix this together until they're well combined, and then we'll cook it for 5 minutes with the lid on. After 3 minutes, we will give it a mix. Once the bell peppers are cooked, we will add in the fenugreek leaf powder or kasuri methi and the garam masala. We will mix these well together and cook them for around a minute or so. The last thing we will do is to add in the paneer or cottage cheese. We will mix the paneer well together with the veggies and cook this for around 2 minutes. Once everything is fully cooked, you can give it a taste to see if you need to add any salt or any other spices. If you would like, you can also garnish it with some coriander leaves. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all my new videos. See you in the next video!